Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. New day, new puzzles in today's newspaper of Tuesday, November the 28th, 2023. And we have here two regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the Killer Sudoku, yes, and the Binary Puzzle 12 by 12. We have also in this newspaper an additional, yes, the additional is back, 7 extra puzzles, letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku, 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 1 star, 1 with 4 stars, and the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But first, let me solve the regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, there's been an exchange of prisoners between Israel and Hamas. Exchange of prisoners. So if the exchange will be completed, then they will extend the exchange for several days. Alright, enough with the war. This one, number 7523. 7523. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, 38 printed digits. And it's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 ones and 6 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Yeah. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Let me see. Between the O's comes in 1. Between double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Let me think. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double O, here one, there one. One, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Also 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in the first row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O, this should be a 1. If I place still We have here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. If I place number 6 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row, second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place the 6O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O. So the rest are 1s. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you place number 6 here, the sixth one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. If I place the 6th one here, we still have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. It should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have the 6th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 6. The 6th one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 6. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4, 5. Yeah. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between is always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, and sixth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the 1s comes in O. Now. Between the 1s comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 1s. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to compare, I believe. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. Well. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let me compare. Yeah, this row. That row. Yeah. This one. That one. Alright, let me compare. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0. So we need to switch this digit, yeah, and that digits, that box. We have O here, this should be 1. We have 1 here, this should be an O. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. Between the O's comes a 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. And we have here 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Here, oh wait, no, correct. And 1, and O, yes. We've switched those numbers. We solve it again in 11 minutes. Well. Took me more minutes than I expected, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.